Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Great. This evening I want to show you how to make a fashion banner exactly like this on your Android smartphone using Pixellab. In this tutorial you will learn color combination, then you are going to learn how to switch fonts. If you want to continue learning new skills in graphics using your smartphone, keep on watching my channel for daily tips and amazing tutorial like this.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Without wasting much of our time, let's start with today's tutorial.
Diko Graphics, skills with creativity.
Come on guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you how to make a business banner. So without wasting much time, let's start and see how I will walk you through to achieve this. The first thing is to set a banner size, which I'm going to do now. So it will be 1024 by 723. 1024 by 723. Then after getting that, select the background color. After getting that, the next thing to do is to go with your write-ups. So you have Nikki closet. Then go and select the type of font you want. So as it is, I want to choose this particular font. I want to choose accidental font. They call it accidental font, but after you download it, it will not be displayed in full, but you write acid font. Then after that, we have to expand this a little bit. Then you position it here. Now use your padding to make all the text to show like this. So after we're able to do that, let's go with the telephone. The telephone will now be 2703 66 078 1. Then the font that we're going to use is Cloudword. You see, this is it. Click OK. Then you reduce the size there and you position it under this. Then we will increase the size. It is good. So since all this is black, let's double it. You see, it's not even really black. Look at it, it's not really black. So now this is the black result. So now what we're going to do is to write the slogan. So the slogan will be rely on us for safe delivery. Rely on us for safe delivery. Then here, the font we are going to use is Playfair. You can see it. Playfair. Then you click OK. Now reduce the size. Then move it and place it here. So after that, we'll shift this a little bit. Good. Then line spacing this. We can actually change this from bold. It's too bold. It's too bold. Let's choose this. So this is better a little bit. Then maintain the principle of alignment by making them center. So after that, the next thing to do is to go to the gallery and import all the image we really want. Then you expand it like this, lock it. Go to the gallery, select the shoe, then you use your relative size to position it, to lock it. Then go to gallery again, select the bag, then spread it, then we'll lock it, but we'll let this go back and this go up. We'll lock it. So the next thing to do is to go to our gallery, then select this and use your relative size. Go to the gallery, lock it. Now let's do with our write-up. And go to the write-up, just type shoe and bags. So you can see. So I choose shoe and bag. So the next thing to do now is to select the kind of font I want to use for this. So the font I want to use is Mr. Dafo. We'll show it now. We'll call it Mr. Dafo. This is Mr. Dafo regular. So it's very good for banner design. Position at the middle. Go to line spacing and you bring it up. Then at the end of the day, we'll go to same alignment to align the center. Then we'll cross it. We'll cross it like this. So after that, we'll go to color. We choose color that we want, which is deep. Sorry. So we choose the kind of color we want. So after that, the next thing to do is to finish the work by write the words of attention or new arrival. Then which font did they use for the only new arrival? That is Allegra. Let's see. So we'll select the Allegra to be used for this, which I prefer the bold. Then I will reduce the size. Let me reselect Allegra. So I think I can pick this. So it's okay. Then I will reduce the size. And then bring this up. And center it. So we center it as well. Then we'll go to color. We can bold it. Then we'll give it line spacing. Then we'll go to color and give it deep color. Then we'll position it under this. So guess it's okay like this. We are making sense. So the next thing that we're going to do is to finish our final write-up, and this will be Nikki. Then I will use acid font. That is accidental I'm talking about. Acid font. If you don't see that, then we'll search for acid font. This is it. Then you click OK. Now we'll move it down. We'll use the movement arrow to move it. So we're almost there. Then copy. When you copy, bring it down here. Copy, bring it down here. Copy, bring it down here. So it be like we'll have to reduce the size of this. Then we'll bring it down here. So you can see. Then we can bring this down here. Then you bring this down here. At the end of the day, we'll go to where this is and adjust. Adjust it very well. So it's okay. We'll go and lock it back. Then I increase this back to 40. Then the last thing, to round up everything, it won't be complete if we don't put our Gmail. So I will use a cloud word fonts to use that. Then it will be www.nikkipresets.com. Then we give it a space like this. Let's give it very well because I'm going to reduce at the end of the day. I'm going to reduce it, or let me increase it. Reduce the line spacing now and position it to C, because I just want to cover everything. So I think we are making sense. So this is exactly how you can make a simple business flyer on your Android smartphone using Pixellab. So after that, we'll finish everything by bringing this. Then we'll crop it like this. Then use a color picker to pick this light green color. Then as you can see, then remain small. After that, we'll pick a circle. Then we'll position the circle here. We give this color we just used now, and we'll go to opacity and reduce. After that, we will now write the percentage discount on it. We're using accidental precedent fonts. So it will be 25%, 25%. Then we'll look at this first. Okay, let's change the color to be more darker. Sorry. Then after that, we need to put the discounts at the bottom. We need to put the discounts. Then which type of font can we use to do that? We need to think about the font to use. So the next thing is to type discount. Let's type discount. Discount. So after that, the next thing to do, which kind of font can we use to this discount that we're talking about that will make it more okay? And the discount, we can still use the asset discount. We'll reduce the size, then we'll position it here. So you can see, then you can give it a little space. Good, we are almost there. So this is exactly perfectly how you can make a business banner on your Android smartphone using Pixellab. Thanks for watching. God bless you.